walkthrough of cabin 7446. It's an extended balcony. So it's laid out a little different than your traditional balcony room. It's got 4 closets, so it's got 2 hanging closets right here by the door, and kind of a long hallway leading into the rest of the cabin. And these 2 closets have shelves. This one is just a normal closet. You could fold up those shelves and put clothes on it if you needed to. And over here you've got your safe and a few drawers, which come in handy. Now this desk doesn't have the normal, like, I'm surprised that they don't have some shelves there, but you've got your door with the little mini fridge. You've got a drawer here, obviously, with all your nonsense you can put in there. And then you've just got the little desk. This room doesn't have a couch, but it does have a little table, side table, and it's got a chair. We'll get to the balcony in a minute. And then what's really nice about this layout, if I back up, is the bed sits sideways, so you do get a view in the morning. But one thing that's a little inconvenient, I don't know if I can show it very well, but I am 6'2". I'm going to turn this around. Hopefully you can see there's just not much space here to walk between the TV and the bed. That's probably the only real downfall here. Your bathroom is on the other side of the bed from the door, which is fine, and it's your normal Carnival bathroom. Although, I don't know if it's our imagination, but we feel like this shower has just a little bit more space than other showers. And again, that might just be our imagination. Other, showers we've got on Carnival ships. But the reason you get this cabin is for the balcony, which is super fun. It's big enough to put 2 chairs and a lounge. As you can see, I'm going to try to get all the way to the end of this one. The wind really picked up here, so I jumped in to add a voiceover. But as you can see, the balcony here is long enough that you could put 6 or 7 people out there if you really wanted to. Not that you would, but we absolutely loved the views from this balcony. We really enjoyed relaxing out here. We got plenty of sun, probably too much, but you get a really nice view all the way around, and you can look down and see the Havana cabanas. So thanks for checking out our cabin walkthrough of cabin 7446 on the Carnival Horizon.